Imagine if one unexpected event could wipe out your savings overnight. What would you do? Today, we're diving deep into risk management strategies that can protect your financial future and help you build lasting wealth. Risk management isn't just a fancy financial term, it's the foundation for long-term financial security. Many people dream of achieving financial success, yet life often throws curveballs, like economic downturns, job losses, or sudden expenses. With a strong risk management plan, you can prepare for these surprises, protect your money, stay focused on your goals instead of panicking when things go wrong. At its core, risk management means spotting possible financial threats early and taking smart steps to reduce their impact. This forward-thinking approach not only shields your wealth, but also gives you peace of mind to pursue opportunities confidently. The question is, how do you actually start managing risk effectively in your day-to-day financial life? From medical emergencies to market crashes, unexpected financial hits can derail even the most disciplined savers and investors. A single hospital visit can lead to massive bills, and sudden stock market drops can wipe out years of investment gains. That's why risk management isn't optional, it's essential. Let's look at how these challenges can directly affect you. A surprise car repair might drain your savings, while economic recessions can lead to job losses or reduced income. Market volatility can cause emotional stress, making people sell investments at the wrong time. All of this shows why a clear risk management plan is your financial safety net. A strong risk management plan involves three main steps: analyzing your financial situation, identifying potential risks, and applying the right strategies to protect your money. With this approach, you can face financial challenges without losing your long-term focus. Some practical risk management strategies include diversification, insurance, and disciplined budgeting. Diversification spreads your investments across various asset types to reduce risk. Insurance policies act as a backup plan for unexpected events, while budgeting, especially building an emergency fund, helps you stay afloat during tough times. Take diversification, for example. When you invest in a mix of stocks, bonds, and real estate, instead of relying on just one market, you reduce the chance of losing everything if one sector crashes. Over time, this strategy balances risk and reward, making your financial growth steadier. Insurance is another crucial pillar. Health, life, and disability insurance policies ensure that medical bills, accidents, or even loss of income don't ruin your finances. For instance, health insurance can save you from debt after a medical emergency, while life insurance protects your family's financial future. Then comes budgeting. By building an emergency fund with at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses, give yourself a safety cushion for unexpected setbacks, like job loss or home repairs. This way, you can handle financial shocks without turning to credit cards or loans. Consider the story of a young entrepreneur who followed these principles. She diversified her investments, maintained proper insurance coverage, and built a solid emergency fund. When a market downturn hit, she didn't panic or sell at a loss. Her planning paid off, and her wealth continued to grow afterward. Her journey proves that with the right risk management strategies, financial challenges become temporary setbacks rather than disasters. Long-term success comes from preparation, not luck. Another key aspect of risk management is regular financial review. Life circumstances change, new expenses, career shifts, or economic trends can affect your risk profile. By reviewing your financial plan every 6 months, you can make necessary adjustments before problems grow bigger. Risk management also involves emotional discipline. Many investors make decisions based on fear or greed, especially during market highs or crashes. Staying calm, sticking to your strategy, and avoiding impulsive moves help you protect your wealth over the long term. Don't forget the role of financial education. The more you learn about personal finance, investments, and insurance options, the better decisions you make. Knowledge itself is a form of risk protection because it prevents costly mistakes. Lastly, seeking professional advice can make a huge difference. Financial advisors can help you identify risks you might overlook and suggest tailored strategies for your unique goals. Their experience often saves time and money in the long run. Risk management isn't just about avoiding financial disasters. It's about building confidence and resilience for the future. by diversifying investments, using insurance wisely, budgeting carefully, staying educated, and seeking professional guidance. You create a strong financial foundation. With these strategies, you're not just surviving life's challenges, you're setting yourself up to thrive financially. What about you? Have you faced any financial challenges where risk management saved the day? Share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to explore my other videos for more tips on building financial literacy and creating wealth with confidence.